The Princess Cruise Line is renowned for paving the way for massive innovations of cruise ships today. Princess Cruise is a cruise line company operating a fleet of ships that offer cruise vacations to various destinations in the world. These ships offer a range of amenities and experiences for guests such as dining, entertainment, recreation, and more. Princess Cruises offers a variety of cruise options, including traditional round-trip ocean voyages, as well as cruise tours which combine an ocean voyage with a land tour itinerary. They are known for offering a premium cruising experience with an emphasis on destination immersion and providing passengers with the opportunity to explore new cultures and unique experiences. Princess Cruises offers a range of staterooms and suites to cater to the diverse needs and budgets, from standard inside cabins to spacious suites with balconies. Princess Cruises is known for its friendly and attentive crew who work to ensure that guests have a comfortable and enjoyable vacation. Princess Cruises visits many popular destinations around the world, including the Caribbean, Alaska, Europe, and Asia. The three classes of ships in the cruise line. The Royal Class. The six ships that make up the Royal Class are the largest and newest ships in the Princess fleet, and because of their large size and modern features, they offer more of everything from entertainment to large rooms, many restaurants, bars, and overall spacious grounds. The six Royal Class ships are Royal Princess, Regal Princess, Majestic Princess, Sky Princess, Enchanted Princess, and Discovery Princess. The Royal Class fleet continues to add an upgraded generation of ships to its collection. The amenities and facilities found on these ships include superb bar and dining options that include the Princess's signature steakhouse, pizzerias, Crown Grill, gourmet hot dog and restaurants like the Italian Sabatini's and French Bistro sur la Mer. Bistro sur la Mer is a high-end restaurant that serves dishes created by renowned French chef Emmanuel Renaud. One thing to note is that some restaurants and buffets are included in the travel fare, so passengers will not need to pay for their meals while aboard the ship. A piazza-like atrium, increased by 50%, serves as the best lively location for social interactions among passengers with its surrounding bars and restaurants. Glass-floored over-water sea walks are found on the top of the deck of some of the ships, and the walkway goes about 28 feet beyond the ship's edge. Exquisite spas with large hot suites, hydrotherapy pools, steam baths, and other top-class spa features. The Royal Class ships also comprise the Princess Live television studio, luxurious private poolside cabanas, balconies on the outside of the rooms, and pastry shops. The Sky Princess is the largest ship on the Royal Class fleet. The Grand Class. The Grand Class fleet comprises 7 beautiful ships that offer a chummier feel than its counterpart Royal Class ships. The older Grand Class ships are 20% smaller than newer Royal Class ships. Its features include piazza-like atriums, which are the lively socializing centers on the ships. These central atriums have cafes surrounding them, several delightful restaurants and bars where passengers can dine and enjoy delicious meals. The signature Princess Steakhouse and Sabatini's Eatery found on all the ships. Salty Dog, a gastropub and steamer, seafood outlet found on some of the ships. Pools and lounges on the top decks, where you can have a relaxing experience, either dipped in the pool or seated on lounge chairs beside the pools. Big theaters that are host to comedy clubs and production shows. Other features include Japanese baths, Japanese-themed cabin bathrooms, and a sushi restaurant found on Diamond Princess, which often sails around Japan. The Grand Class ships design favors the local market. The Coral Class. The 2 ships in this class are Island Princess and Coral Princess. They are the oldest ships in the cruise line. They have fewer facilities but give a more comfortable and warm feeling. Due to their relatively small size, the Coral Class ships travel more routes than the bigger Princess ships. So, for more distant, target-based and around-the-world cruises, either of the Coral or the Island Princess ships is used. Features of the Coral Class ships include a large main theater and smaller lounges for comedy shows and entertainment, a casino, top decks that have pools with hot tubs and poolside chairs, a spa, restaurants and casual buffet. Other features include a steakhouse and an Italian eatery. In conclusion, the Princess Cruise is a well-established and highly regarded cruise line that offers a premium cruising experience for its guests. With a large fleet of modern ships, diverse itineraries, and a wide range of onboard amenities and activities, Princess Cruises offers something for everyone. Additionally, the company is known for its friendly and attentive crew, as well as its focus on exploring the destinations as they visit. Whether you are looking for a romantic getaway, a family vacation, or an adventure at sea, Princess Cruises is a great option to consider. Did you enjoy watching this video? We wish to below. Also, like and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more videos.